What really happens inside a massive chicken production system where millions of eggs, newly hatched chicks, automated farms, and industrial processing facilities all work together? From the outside, a chicken may seem like one of the simplest foods in the world. But behind every broiler chicken is a carefully managed journey involving breeding farms, hatcheries, climate-controlled growing houses, automated feeding systems, transportation, processing facilities, quality control, refrigeration, packaging, and distribution. And the most surprising part is that the journey begins long before a chicken ever enters a processing plant. It begins with the egg. Across large agricultural breeding farms, carefully managed parent flocks produce fertile hatching eggs for the next generation of broiler chickens. These eggs are collected through organized systems and carefully handled because every stage that follows depends on the quality of the hatch. The eggs are gathered, inspected, and prepared for transportation toward specialized hatcheries. Large trays filled with thousands of eggs begin their journey toward a completely different environment. As the transport vehicles arrive at the hatchery, the scale of the operation becomes clear. Massive rooms are filled with automated incubation systems designed to hold enormous numbers of eggs at the same time. Before incubation begins, the eggs are carefully checked for overall condition. Damaged eggs and unsuitable eggs are separated while approved eggs continue into the next stage. Then the real biological transformation begins. The eggs are placed inside advanced incubator systems where temperature, humidity, airflow, and egg movement are carefully controlled. Automated systems continuously monitor the environment while specialized equipment gently turns the eggs during incubation. This controlled environment helps maintain consistent conditions as the embryos develop inside. Day after day, the hatchery continues operating. Thousands of eggs remain inside carefully managed incubation rooms, while sensors monitor the conditions around the clock. Even small changes in temperature or humidity can affect development, which is why the systems are designed for constant monitoring and precise control. After the incubation cycle reaches its final stage, the eggs move into specialized hatching equipment. And this is where the factory begins to come alive. The first chicks begin to emerge. What started as rows of carefully arranged eggs is now transforming into thousands of newly hatched broiler chicks. The hatchery becomes filled with movement as automated systems and trained workers manage the next stage of the journey. The chicks are gently transferred through organized handling systems where they may be counted, sorted, and checked before being prepared for transport. Depending on the production system and local veterinary requirements, hatchery procedures can include health-related handling and vaccination protocols. The chicks are then placed into specially designed transport containers. And soon, another journey begins. Vehicles leave the hatchery and travel toward large broiler growing farms. Outside, the countryside may look calm and peaceful. But inside the modern growing facilities, an entirely different world is waiting. The newly hatched chicks enter large climate-controlled poultry houses designed to support their growth. Rows of automated equipment stretch across the building, feeding systems deliver carefully managed feed. Water systems provide a continuous supply of clean drinking water. Ventilation equipment helps control air quality. Heating and cooling systems help maintain suitable environmental conditions. And automated sensors monitor important factors throughout the growing cycle. At the beginning, the chicks are small and lightweight. But over the following weeks, they grow rapidly under carefully managed conditions. Farmers and technicians regularly monitor the birds, the equipment, feed consumption, water use, temperature, ventilation, and the overall condition of the flock. The goal is consistency. Modern poultry farming is not simply about providing food and waiting for chickens to grow. It is a carefully managed production system. Computerized systems can track environmental conditions inside the poultry houses. If temperature changes, ventilation systems respond. If water consumption changes unexpectedly, workers can investigate. Feed systems are designed to supply the flock efficiently, while experienced farm workers remain responsible for observing conditions that machines cannot always understand. Technology provides data. But human experience provides judgment. As the broilers continue growing, the poultry houses remain active almost constantly. Feed lines operate, ventilation fans move air, water systems supply the flock, and workers move through the facility checking equipment and monitoring the birds. Eventually, the broilers reach the required market stage for their production system. Then the next major journey begins. The birds are carefully prepared for transportation to a specialized poultry processing facility. Trained teams and organized transport systems work to move the birds from the growing farm into transport containers. The vehicles then leave the farm and travel toward the processing plant. As the trucks approach the industrial facility, the peaceful agricultural environment slowly changes. Large factory buildings appear ahead. Receiving areas, loading bays, refrigeration systems, processing lines, and warehouse facilities now dominate the landscape. This is where the next stage of the food production chain begins. At the processing facility, operations follow controlled food safety and animal welfare procedures. Modern poultry processing lines are highly organized and can include receiving, automated processing stages, cleaning, inspection, chilling, cutting, further processing, packaging, and cold storage. Science Direct +2. The goal is to turn the agricultural product into safe, carefully handled food products for the market. After the main processing stages, the chicken moves through controlled chilling systems designed to lower product temperature. This stage is extremely important because temperature control helps protect product quality and food safety. Once chilled, the chicken can move into different production lines. Some products remain whole. Others are cut into portions such as breast portions, drumsticks, wings, and other cuts. Further processing can create additional products depending on the factory, including marinated products, prepared foods, or other value-added chicken products. But before packaging, quality control becomes another major part of the process. Workers and automated systems inspect the products. Weight is checked. Product appearance is monitored. Packaging systems are inspected. Temperature conditions are carefully controlled. And every production batch must follow the facility's required procedures. Once approved, the finished chicken products enter automated packaging systems. Machines place products into trays, bags, or other food-grade packaging. The packages are sealed. Inspection systems check the packaging. Then the finished products move toward cold storage. Inside the warehouse, the scale becomes enormous. Rows of packaged chicken products are stored under controlled refrigerated conditions while computerized inventory systems help organize batches and prepare orders. From there, forklifts and automated logistics systems move products toward the loading area. Large refrigerated trucks wait outside. The products are loaded and secured for transportation. Then they begin the final journey toward supermarkets, restaurants, food companies, distributors, and customers. And when you look back at the complete process, the transformation is remarkable. A fertile egg entered a carefully controlled hatchery. It developed inside an automated incubation system. A newly hatched chick moved toward a modern growing farm. The chick grew into a broiler under carefully managed conditions. The finished broiler entered the next stage of the production chain. And after processing, chilling, inspection, packaging, and distribution, the final food products became ready for the market. What makes this massive chicken production system fascinating isn't simply the chicken. It's the combination of agriculture, biology, hatchery technology, automated farming, environmental control, skilled workers, food science, processing machinery, refrigeration, quality control, and logistics. Every stage is connected. The hatchery depends on the breeder farm. The growing farm depends on the hatchery. The processing plant depends on the growing farms. And the final market depends on the entire system working together. That is what makes modern chicken production so extraordinary. A journey that begins with a single egg can eventually pass through some of the most advanced agricultural and industrial systems in the world. And that is how modern chicken production moves from fertile egg to broiler, and from the farm to the final food supply chain. If you enjoyed discovering what happens behind the machines, subscribe to Factory Insider TV for more incredible factory processes and the hidden technology behind everyday products.